I've got to find some usable wood quickly. This cold is biting right through everything. I think I see something over there, past those pines. Time to get to work. I need more timber. The temperature is dropping fast. Oh. Come on. That's it. It's working.
Как да смогу столько пар вазотки, не попущу попувая сомна совеси места шкода. Потайгос мы есть guys, so it's all.
I've got the cord ready. Just need to attach this cross beam and we'll be secure.
Poredjava должны мягко стазы, потом повинно можно таки на местечко, пут место дома то я беру плетение.
The ice gives way. Careful now, the heat is intense. Dinner is served. This is a crucial step in extreme cold. The clay must come off to get to the meat before it freezes. He uses a heavy cleaver to tap and fracture the brittle crust.
All right, let's see how this turned out. Perfection. Time to eat. All right, that's looking just about ready to eat. All right, pack in the corner, gear as a pillow. Good for the night. All right, gear's secure. Just one last check. Whoa. Wind's picking up out there. Time to lock it down. Time to get inside. We've passed. Yeah, it's getting colder.
Keep working on this side.
Okay, I've got the tools here.
Is the snow secure enough?
It seems fine, but let's check your face. Give me the mirror.
Right. I'm getting cold.
Ah, that's better. Time to get this fire going again. The perfect tinder. These curls will get the embers roaring in no time. Survival in the cold is all about preparation. Come on, that's it. Almost there. Time to take this down carefully, bit by bit. That's one. Now the ridge pole. Easy does it. There. Done. Time to head out. One last check.
I made it. I can see it now.